Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Radvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, in the previous video we have completed reading with art chapter number 6 from the book First Flight. The name of the chapter is The 100 Dresses part 2. Okay, so we have completed both the parts, part 1 and part 2, and I hope the chapter everything is clear to you all. Okay, and in today's video we will see the comprehension part, we will solve the questions. Okay, so let's begin. Question first, what did Mr. Petronsky's letter say? Okay, so in this question we have to tell about Mr. Petronsky's letter that he wrote. Okay, so we have to tell that what did he write in that letter. Okay, so let's see the answer. Petronsky's letter said that Wanda won't come to school anymore. Okay, so in that letter Wanda's father, or we can say Mr. Petronsky, he wrote that his daughter Wanda, she will not be there in school anymore. Okay, they were moving to a big city. And why? What is the reason? Because now they are moving to another city. We can say they are moving to a big city. Okay, there would be no more fun on names. Okay, और अब जो क्योंकि जो Wanda है वो स्कूल में नहीं आने वाली है, so now there will be no more fun. Okay, because of her name. Okay, there were plenty of funny names in the city. Okay, और जो मिस्टर पेट्रॉन्स्की है उनको ये कहना था कि जो बिग सिटी है राइट, वहाँ पे कोई भी इस तरह की बातों की वजह से वांडा को परेशान नहीं करेगा, उसे टीज नहीं करेगा. ओके, उसका मजाक नहीं बनाएगा, बिकॉज बिग सिटी में इस तरह के नेम जो होते हैं ये कॉमन होते हैं. इतना ज़्यादा लोग जो है वो उनको इतना स्ट्रेंज नहीं लगता है और इतना ज़्यादा वो परेशान नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ देयर वियर्ड नेम, बिकॉज of their longer names. Okay, next question, is Miss Mason angry with the class or is she unhappy and upset? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that after reading the letter of Mr. Petronsky, okay, so what was the reaction of Miss Mason, that was the teacher of the class. Okay, so what was her reaction? Was she unhappy? Was she upset? Okay, so we have to tell her reaction that was there after reading the letter. Okay, so let's see. Miss Mason is unhappy and upset with the class. Okay, so after reading the chapter we can say that yes, when Miss Mason she she read the letter, so after that she was very unhappy and she was really very upset with the class. Okay, she calls it unfortunate. Okay, और उनको लेटर पढ़ने के बाद पता चलता है कि किस तरह से जो बाकी क्लासमेट्स थे वांडा के, दे यूज्ड टू मेक फन ऑफ हर. ओके, और जब बात उनको पता चलती है देन शी कॉल्ड इट टू बी वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. ओके, इट ऑल हैपन इन अटर थॉटलेसनेस. ओके, और वो ये भी कहती हैं कि जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको एक्चुअली पता ही नहीं था कि वो किस तरह का काम कर रहे हैं, इस तरह करके वांडा को कितना हर्ट कर रहे हैं राइट. सो ये जो काम हुआ है वो क्यों हुआ है? बिकॉज ऑफ थॉटलेसनेस. ओके, शी आस्क्ड द क्लास टू थिंक नॉट टू हर्ट एनीवन्स फीलिंग्स बिकॉज ऑफ ए लॉन्गर नेम. ओके, और वो साथ में एक एडवाइस भी देती हैं, एक सजेशंस भी देती हैं पूरी क्लास को, स्टूडेंट्स को, क्या कि अब कभी भी वो किसी का मजाक नहीं बनाए जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर लॉन्गर नेम. ओके, next question, how does Maddie feel after listening to the note from Wanda's father? Okay, so in this question we have to tell Maddie's reaction. Okay, जब उसको लेटर के बारे में पता चलता है जो कि वांडा के फादर मिस्टर पेट्रोन्स्की ने लिखा था राइट, और जिसे मिस मैसन पढ़ के पूरी क्लास को सुनाती है. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वाज द रिएक्शन ऑफ मैडी, व्हाट वाज देयर इन हर माइंड? ओके, सो लेट्स सी. मैडी फील्स ग्रेटली हर्ट. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट जब मैडी को पता चलता है कि now Wanda along with her family they are moving to another city. Okay, and how much she was hurt because of their behavior. Okay, so after that Maddie she was really greatly hurt. Okay, she has a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach right, वो इतना ज़्यादा uneasy feel करती है because उसको लगता है कि she was also the part of that fun game right. वो भी उस ग्रुप में इन्वॉल्व थी, जो पूरा ग्रुप जब वांडा का मजाक बनाया करता था. so at that time she was also a part of that group. Okay, so that's why she was having a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. It means she was very uneasy and feeling very uncomfortable. Okay, she feels like a coward for not standing against other girls who were teasing Wanda. Okay, उसको उस समय ऐसा लग रहा था that she was a coward girl right, because वो एक्चुअल में वो खुद टीज नहीं करती थी बट स्टिल वो सबको मना भी नहीं करती थी, वो किसी को रोकती भी नहीं थी राइट. so she was feeling like a coward for not standing against other other girls, right, who were teasing Wanda. Okay, she has a feeling to go and tell Wanda that they hadn't meant to hurt her feelings. Okay, and after this what was there in her mind, what वो सबसे ज़्यादा क्या विश कर रही थी, वो सिर्फ ये चाहती थी कि वो जल्दी से जल्दी वांडा के पास जाए, वांडा से उसको एक चांस मिले वांडा से मिलने का, so that she can tell Wanda what that they hadn't meant to hurt her feelings. Okay, so obviously we can say that Maddie, she was having a guilt feeling, right, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा guilty feel हो रहा था because of her role, right, जो फन गेम में उसने जो रोल प्ले किया था, राइट, वो खुद टीज नहीं करती थी, राइट, बट स्टिल वो दूसरों को मना भी नहीं करती थी. ओके, और वो चाहती थी कि वो जल्दी से जल्दी जाए वांडा के पास और उसको बताए क्या कि वो बिल्कुल भी हर्ट नहीं करना चाहती थी उसकी फीलिंग्स को. ओके, next question, what does Maddie want to do? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that after that guilt feeling. Okay, so now Maddie, what she actually wanted to do now. Okay, so let's see. Maddie wants to go to Wanda at once. Okay, so now Maddie, she is actually having the guilt feeling, and because of that she really wanted to go to Wanda. She just wanted to have one chance, one opportunity to meet with Wanda. She would tell her that they hadn't meant to hurt her feelings, right, और वांडा से क्यों मिलना चाहती थी सिर्फ एक बार, because she just wanted to tell her that वो एक्चुअल में उसकी फीलिंग्स को हर्ट करना नहीं चाहते थे. ओके, she thinks to tell Wanda that they thought her to be smart. ओके, और साथ ही वो वांडा को ये भी बताना चाहती थी that आप सबको पता चल गया that Wanda is really a very smart girl. ओके, also her dresses were beautiful. ओके, और साथ ही वो ये भी बताना चाहती थी कि जो वांडा ने ड्राइंग्स बनाई थी 100 ड्रेसेस की, all the drawings were so beautiful, they were so amazing. Okay, so ये बात वो वांडा को बताना चाहती थी. That's why she actually wanted to get one opportunity, one chance to meet with Wanda. Okay, next question, what excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior and why? Okay, so this question we have to tell that Peggy जो है, right, जब उनको पता चलता है, so after that Maddie के मन में तो guilt feeling थी, उसको पता था that they were wrong. Okay, उनका जो action था, उनका जो behavior था, that was very wrong. Okay, but Peggy जो थी उसके मन में अभी भी वो feeling नहीं है, उसके मन में कहीं भी ये realization नहीं था that she was wrong. Okay, and she was having many excuses. Okay, for her behavior. Okay, so we have to tell that what were the excuses that Peggy was having for her behavior, and we have to tell the reason why she was having these excuses. Okay, so let's see. Peggy thinks up that she didn't call her a foreigner. Okay, so Peggy, she was actually having some excuses. Okay, उसको लग रहा था that she was not wrong, her behavior was not wrong, and she was having the excuse that she didn't call her a foreigner. She also did not make fun of her name. Also she was having this thing कि उसने कभी भी उसके longer name की वजह से उसका मजाक नहीं बनाया था. She thought that Wanda was too dumb. Okay, and उसको ये भी लग रहा था कि जो Wanda है, she is very dumb girl, right? She never thought that she could know that they were mocking at her, right? और according to Peggy, उसका ये मानना था कि वांडा को कहीं पता ही नहीं चला था that they were all making fun of her because she was a very dumb girl. Okay, so these were the excuses that she was having in her mind. Okay, next question, what are Maddie's thoughts as they go to Boggins Heights? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that when finally Maddie and Peggy, they decided that they will go to Boggins Heights. It was the place where Wanda, she used to live. So when they were going to this place to meet with Wanda, so at that time what was the what was the thing that was there in Maddie's mind that we have to tell. Okay, so let's see. Maddie hoped that they would find Wanda. Okay, so at that time Maddie, she was having only one thing in her mind. Okay, and what was that? She just wanted to meet with Wanda just once. Okay, and why? She wanted to tell her that they were sorry. Okay, because she wanted to share the guilt feeling in front of her. Okay, the whole school thought that she was just wonderful, all would be nice to her, she should not move away from there. She and Peggy would fight anybody who was not nice to her, okay, and she also wanted to tell कि you know जब सबने उसकी 100 drawings को देख लिया है, so after that the entire school is thinking that she was just a wonderful artist, okay, and from now on no one will mock because of her you know funny name, weird name, or because of her dress, okay, and no one will you know tease her, okay, everyone will be you know so nice to her, okay, that's why she should not move away from the school, from the city, and she should continue her study in that school only, okay, and she also wanted to add, okay, कि अगर अब किसी ने you know उसको टीज किया, उसका मजाक बनाया, so ऐसे में वो और पैगी मिलके you know उससे फाइट करेंगे जो भी उसको टीज करेगा, okay, so these were the all things that she just wanted to tell to Wanda, okay. Next question, why does Wanda's house remind Maddie of Wanda's blue dress, okay, so in this question we have to tell the reason, that what was the reason that you know when Maddie she reached to Wanda's house, okay, so at that time उसको अचानक से you know Wanda की blue dress याद आ जाती है, so what was the reason, so let's see. Wanda's house reminds Maddie of Wanda's blue dress because both look similar. So what was the reason कि you know Wanda के घर को देख के Maddie को Wanda की dress याद आ जाती है. So the reason was that you know both look similar. And what was the similarity? So let's see. When Maddie goes there, she finds the house shabby but clean. Okay, so जब वो पहुँचती है Wanda के घर पे, so उसको क्या पता चलता है that the house was shabby but clean. Okay, so was Wanda's faded blue cotton dress, and the same thing was there with Wanda's faded blue cotton dress. It was faded but still it was always clean. Okay, so ये reason था कि Wanda के घर को देख के Maddie को Wanda की you know blue dress याद आ जाती है because of this similarity. Okay, next question. What does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she come to? Okay, so in this question we have to tell you know कि what was the reason कि जो Maddie थी वो किसी चीज़ के बारे में you know इतना ज़्यादा सोचती है, और क्या चीज़ थी जिसके बारे में you know वो इतना ज़्यादा सोच रही है, और इतना सोचने के बाद what important decision जो है वो लेती है. Okay, so what was the decision जो वो इतना ज़्यादा सोचने के बाद लेती है. So let's see. Maddie thinks hard about her role in the dress game, that she never supported Wanda nor asked Peggy to stop teasing her, right? So वो क्या सोच रही थी? What was the only thing that was there in her mind? वो सिर्फ सोच रही थी about her role in the dress game, or we can say in the fun game, right? ये जो dress game Peggy खेला करती थी Wanda के साथ उसको tease करने के लिए, right? तो उस गेम में जो उसका रोल था, उस रोल के बारे में Maddie you know सोचा करती थी. और क्या रोल था उसका? वो कभी भी उसने Wanda को सपोर्ट नहीं किया, nor did she ask Peggy to stop teasing her. Okay, after thinking so deeply she comes to an important decision. Okay, और इतना ज़्यादा सोचने के बाद finally there was one decision in her mind. Okay, and what was the decision? She decided not to stand by anymore and say nothing again. Okay, so it was her decision. Finally decide करती है कि you know in future वो कभी भी ऐसे you know किसी तरह किसी को टीज करते हुए नहीं देखेगी, कभी भी वो इस तरह अपने सामने होता हुआ नहीं देखेगी. She would speak up if she heard anybody speaking badly or treating others unkindly, right? So she decided that from now on she would always speak up if she heard anybody speaking badly or treating others unkindly. Okay, she wouldn't mind losing Peggy's friendship for that. Okay, वो इसके लिए अगर जो Peggy है that was her best friend, अगर वो you know अपनी फ्रेंडशिप भी ख़त्म कर लेती है, so वो इस चीज़ की भी केयर नहीं करेगी. Okay, she decided never to make anybody unhappy. Okay, so she was so moved, she was so touched. Okay, जो Wanda के साथ जो हुआ था जिसकी वजह से you know वो स्कूल छोड़ के जा रही थी, so इसकी वजह से Maddie जो थी she was so touched that she decided never to make anybody unhappy. Okay, next question. What did the girls write to Wanda? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that when finally Peggy and Maddie they decided that they will write one letter to Wanda. So what did they write in that letter? Okay, so let's see. The girls decided to write an apology letter to Wanda, but somehow they ended up writing a friendly note telling her that she won the contest, asking her if she is liking the new place and the new teachers. Okay, so जो दोनों girls थी ये decide तो क्या करती हैं हैं दैट दे विल राइट एन अपोलॉजी लेटर, राइट, एक लेटर लिखेंगे, उस लेटर में वो अपना जो वो फील कर रही थी, जो गिल्ट फीलिंग फील कर रही थी वो कहेंगी, एक तरह से वो सॉरी कहेंगी, राइट, ये डिसाइड करके वो लेटर लिखना स्टार्ट करती हैं, बट वो एक्चुअल में सॉरी नहीं कह पाती हैं, एंड दे एंडेड अप राइटिंग अ फ्रेंडली नोट, ओके, और उस लेटर में वो ये भी बताती हैं दैट वांडा हैज़ वन द कॉन्टेस्ट, एंड दे ऑल्सो आस्क हर दैट if she is liking the new place, and they also ask about her new teachers, okay, so it was like a very friendly note, okay. Next question, did they get a reply? Who was more anxious for a reply, Peggy or Maddie? How do you know? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that when they wrote one letter to Wanda, so after that did they get a reply from Wanda? Okay, secondly we have to tell that who was more anxious or who was more eager to get a reply, is it Peggy or Maddie? Okay, so we are given with two options and we have to choose one, that who was more anxious, it was Peggy or it was Maddie, and we also justify our answer, we have to tell the reason that किस बेस पे हम कह सकते हैं कि वो पैगी थी या मैडी थी, ओके, सो लेट्स सी, दे डिड नॉट गेट अ रिप्लाई टू देयर लेटर, ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या उनको रिप्लाई मिला था वांडा की तरफ से, सो आंसर इज दैट नो, उनको रिप्लाई नहीं मिलता है, एंड मैडी वॉज मोर एंशियस फॉर अ रिप्लाई, एंड हु वॉज मोर एंशियस, सो वी कैन से हु वॉज मोर ईगर, सो इट वॉज मैडी हु वॉज मोर एंशियस फॉर अ रिप्लाई, शी desperately wanted to make everything right with Wanda, and why she was so eager, because she desperately wanted to make everything right with Wanda, वो चाहती थी कि Wanda के मन में कोई bad feelings ना रहे उनके लिए, और उसको पता चले कि वो कितना गिल्ट फील कर रहे हैं, वो कितना सॉरी फील कर रहे हैं, ओके. It is evident as Peggy almost forgot about the business, but she couldn't sleep properly. And how can we say that Maddie is more anxious? So now we are given the reason, and it is quite evident because जो Peggy थी, she almost forgot about the business. Okay, वो भूल चुकी थी कि उन्होंने एक लेटर लिखा था वांडा को, but जो ये जो गर्ल है Maddie, okay, she was unable to sleep properly. Okay, she burst out crying, stop as per her decision. Okay, वो सोते सोते बीच में उठ जाया करती थी, and she started crying, stop. Okay, और क्यों? क्योंकि ये उसने डिसीजन लिया था कि अब से कभी भी वो चुप नहीं रहेगी, अगर कोई किसी को टीज कर रहा है सो वो हमेशा उसे सपोर्ट करेगी, और हमेशा जो टीज कर रहा है उसको वो रोकेगी. ओके, सो अपने ड्रीम्स में भी वो ऐसे स्टॉप स्टॉप बोला करती थी. इट वॉज दैट शी वुड नॉट अलाउ एनीबडी टू हर्ट अदर्स और मेक फन ऑफ देम. ओके, सो जो उसने डिसीजन लिया था व्हाट वाज दैट शी वुड नॉट अलाउ एनीबडी टू हर्ट अदर्स एंड मेक फन ऑफ देम. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस डिसीजन, राइट, वो अपने नींद में भी अपने ड्रीम्स में भी इस तरह से स्टॉप स्टॉप चिल्लाया करती थी. So we can say that yes, Maddie, she was more anxious, she was more eager for the reply. Okay. Next question, how did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that जो girls हैं Peggy and Maddie, right, so उनको कैसे पता चलता है कि जो Wanda है she still likes them, okay, even though they had teased her. Okay, so let's see, the girls knew that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her from Wanda's letter to Miss Mason. Okay, so उन्हें कैसे पता चलता है? Because of Wanda's letter that she wrote to the teacher, that was Miss Mason. Okay, in that letter she gave her drawings to Peggy and Maddie. Okay, उस लेटर में वो ये भी लिखती है कि उसकी जो वो ड्राइंग्स हैं, राइट, 100 ड्रेसेस की, उनमें से 2 ड्राइंग पैगी और मैडी को भी दे दी जाए. ओके, शी ऑल्सो रोट दैट शी मिस्ड हर टीचर, शी विश्ड ऑल अ मैरी क्रिसमस. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, इन दैट लेटर शी ऑल्सो रोट दैट शी एक्चुअली मिस्ड हर टीचर एंड शी ऑल्सो विश्ड अ वेरी मैरी क्रिसमस टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स एंड टीचर्स. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लेटर वी कैन से दैट यस, वो उसने इन दोनों गर्ल्स को एक तरह से माफ़ कर दिया था, एंड स्टिल वो इन दोनों को लाइक करती थी. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, why do you think Wanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think life there was going to be different for their family? Okay, so in this question, first of all we have to tell that what was the reason that Wanda's family they moved to a different city. Okay, and secondly we have to tell that what do we think वहाँ जहाँ वो अब गए हैं big city में, so वहाँ पे उनकी जो life है that will be different from this place. Okay, so let's see, I think that Wanda's family moved to a different city due to racial prejudice. Okay, so what was the reason कि Wanda की family वहाँ से shift हो जाती है, एक big city में चली जाती हैं. So the reason was कि वहाँ पे उनको बहुत ज़्यादा racial prejudice face करना पड़ रहा था, right? हर कोई स्कूल में Wanda को जो बहुत ज़्यादा टीज किया करता था और इन सब की वजह से इतने परेशान हो गए थे that they have to move to another city or we can say a big city, right? Life there in a big city was going to be different. Okay, और definitely big city में जो life है वो वहाँ से थोड़ी different होगी. It was because people over there were not hard and harsh in their racial prejudice, because जो big cities है, right, वहाँ पे जो लोग हैं वो इतने narrow minded नहीं हैं और वो racial prejudice को इतनी ज़्यादा importance नहीं देते हैं और वो इतना hard और we can say इतना harsh behavior नहीं करते हैं, right? So we can say that yes, जो big city है वहाँ पे उनकी life जो है that will be quite different. They were not so in petty things like long and funny names. Okay, और जो big cities है वहाँ के जो लोग हैं वो इस तरह की चीज़ों को इतनी importance नहीं देते हैं, because names की वजह से वो इतना ज़्यादा किसी को tease नहीं करेंगे, इतना ज़्यादा किसी का मजाक नहीं बनाएंगे. Okay, next question. Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? Okay, so in this question, first of all, we are given with one statement. And what is the statement? Maddie thought that her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. And our question is, we have to tell, was she right? Okay, so let's see. Yes, Maddie was right when she thought that her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Okay, so students, you can write your own answer here. What do you think about this? Okay, so our answer is that yes, Maddie was right when she thought that her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. It was because it amounted to supporting Peggy. Because अगर वो जब वहाँ पे silently सब कुछ देख रही थी, so एक तरह से वो Peggy को support कर रही थी उसके इस dress game में. Okay, she was right in thinking, so that's why अब अगर उसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसका जो चुप रहना था वो उतना ही बुरा था, उतना ही गलत था जितना पैगी का एटीट्यूड था. So yes, she was very right when she was thinking like this. Okay, next question. Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And Gay, look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? Okay, so in this question we have to tell, जब Peggy ने एक बार कहा था और क्या कहा था, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun to her anyway. I thought she was dumb. And Gay, look how she can draw. Okay, so after reading this statement, we have to tell that what was the thing because of that Peggy started to believe that Wanda was a dumb girl. Okay, and we have also tell that later on उसकी जो feeling है, उसकी जो opinion है Wanda के बारे में, क्या वो feeling change हो पाती है. Okay, let's see the answer. Wanda never reacted to Peggy's teasing in an arrogant way. Okay, so Peggy को क्यों लगता था that Wanda is a dumb girl? So maybe this is the reason that जो Wanda है उसने कभी भी इस dress game में इस तरह से react नहीं किया था कि कोई वो बहुत ही arrogantly reaction उसने show नहीं किया था. Okay, she said everything very silently and seriously. Okay, she had more understanding than that of Peggy and Maddie. Okay, but Wanda was never dumb. Okay, so जो Wanda थी वो बहुत ही काम रहा करती थी, राइट. उस ड्रेस गेम में वो कभी भी वॉयलेंटली और एरोगेंटली रिएक्ट नहीं किया करती थी, राइट. एंड शी वॉज हैविंग मोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वी कैन से शी वॉज मोर मैच्योर. ओके, बट इट डजंट मीन दैट शी वॉज अ डम गर्ल. पैगी चेंज्ड हर ओपिनियन लेटर एंड रियलाइज दैट वांडा वॉज अ टैलेंटेड गर्ल. ओके, और जो पैगी की जो ओपिनियन है ये ओपिनियन भी बाद में चेंज हो जाती है. एंड शी ऑल्सो रियलाइज दैट वांडा वॉज अ वेरी टैलेंटेड गर्ल, शी वॉज अ अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट. ओके, इट इज क्लियर इन हर रिग्रेटिंग लेटर. ओके, और हर बात हम कैसे कह सकते हैं, बिकॉज फाइनली वो एक लेटर लिखती है, वो एक तरह से अपना जो गिल्ट फीलिंग थी, जो वो सॉरी कहना चाहती थी, वो उस लेटर में लिखती है और फाइनली वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है दैट वांडा इज अ वेरी टैलेंटेड गर्ल. ओके, next question. What important decision did Maddie make? Why did she have to think hard to do so? Okay, so in this question we have to tell about the decision, about the important decision that Maddie made. Okay, so what was that decision? And secondly we have to tell the reason, that what was the reason that she had to think so hard. Okay, so let's see. Maddie decided that in future she would not stand silently when someone was mocking at by others or making fun of them. Okay, so what was the decision that was taken by Maddie? So it was that she decided that in future she would not stand silently. Okay, अगर उसके सामने कोई किसी का मजाक बना रहा है, कोई किसी को टीज कर रहा है, तो वो चुपचाप खड़ी होके नहीं देखेगी. That was her decision. She would speak up even if that meant breaking Peggy's friendship. Okay, and she decided that from now on she will always speak up even if that meant breaking Peggy's friendship. Okay, she decided that she would not make anybody unhappy. Okay, so that was her decision. Okay, next question. Why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of her dresses? Why are they surprised? Okay, so in this question we have to tell first of all the reason, that what was the reason that Wanda she gave her two drawings to Maddie and Peggy. Okay, and secondly we have to tell that who are they, Maddie and Peggy. Okay, so why are they so surprised? Okay, so let's see. Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of her dresses. She did so in reply to their making fun for her dresses and her poverty. Okay, so finally Wanda जो है वो अपनी dresses क्यों देती है? Because it was her way to reply. जो वो fun game होता था, जो dress game होता था, जिसमें सभी girls they used to make fun because of her name, because of her dresses or because of her poverty, right? So उन सब का एक तरह से उसने reply किया था ये अपनी drawings की, जो उसने dresses की drawing बनाई थी ड्राइंग्स देके. ओके, शी शोड थ्रू दिस दैट शी वाज अबाउट पेटी थिंग्स लाइक ड्रेसेस. ओके, और उसने एक तरह से प्रूव कर दिया था कि वो इस तरह की जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं ड्रेसेस की, नाम की, इन सब चीज़ों से बहुत ऊपर है. शी इज़ हैविंग मोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड शी इज़ एक्चुअली ए वेरी मैच्योर गर्ल. ओके, human values and qualities of mind were more important than dresses. Okay, and for Wanda dresses से भी ज़्यादा important क्या था? Human values and qualities of mind. Okay, they are surprised because the drawings had their individual faces drawn in them. Okay, and what was the reason that both the girls they were so surprised? Because जो drawings थे right, उनमें उन दोनों के ही जो individual faces थे उनको draw किया गया था. Okay, so जब उन्होंने देखा इतना closely उस drawing को और जब उनको पता चलता है कि उनके ही फेस वहाँ पे ड्रॉ किए गए हैं, सो आफ्टर दैट दे वर सो सरप्राइज्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why or why not? Okay, so in this question we have to tell our opinion. What do we think कि वोंडा को क्या सच में पता था कि जो सभी गर्ल्स हैं वो उसको टीज करती हैं. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू सपोर्ट आवर आंसर. इफ वी आर सेइंग दैट यस, देन वी हैव टू टेल व्हाई वी आर सेइंग सो, एंड इफ आवर आंसर इज नो, देन अगेन वी हैव टू टेल व्हाई नॉट. वी हैव टू टेल द रीजन. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. यस, वोंडा रियली थॉट सो बिकॉज शी वॉज अ हाईली इंटेलिजेंट एंड सेंसिटिव गर्ल. ओके, सो आवर आंसर इज दैट यस, वोंडा वॉज वेरी अवेयर कि सभी गर्ल्स उसको टीज कर रही हैं बिकॉज शी वॉज अ very intelligent and sensitive girl. Okay, she had more understanding and maturity of mind than them. Okay, so she was a very mature girl and she was having very very much understanding. Okay, this she showed in her drawing and later by forgiving them. Okay, and she was very mature और वो इतनी understanding थी उसमें and she was a great artist कि उसने 100 dresses की drawing भी बनाई थी and finally वो सभी को forgive कर देती है. Okay, the note from her father also indicated this. Okay, और ये बात हमें एक बात से और पता चलती है, जो वोंडा के फादर ने नोट लिखा था, जो टीचर के नाम उन्होंने एक लेटर लिखा था जिसमें उन्होंने बताया था कि राइट कि वोंडा कितनी हर्ट है और वो किस तरह से ये सिटी छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. तो उस बात से हमें पता चलता है कि यस, वोंडा जो थी उसको ये बात पता थी. शी वॉज अवेयर विद दिस थिंग कि ऑल द गर्ल्स दे यूज टू मेक फन ऑफ हर, दे यूज टू टीज हर. ओके, so students, we have completed all the question answers here. I hope the chapter and all the question answers everything is clear to you all. In the next video we will start with our new chapter. So see you in the next video. Thank you.